organize and live with me. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy recipe. We are going to make egg curry. Let's get started. I'm taking 8 boiled eggs and 1 boiled potato. This is gonna serve 3 to 4 people. You can take as per your requirement. Potato is totally optional. Now take 3 to 4 onion, 1 tomato, 5 to 6 green chilies and fresh coriander leaves. Let's chop all the vegetables. Add some cooking oil in a pan or kadahi. I am taking mustard oil. Now we are gonna fry eggs. Fry them till golden brown. It will look something like this. I'm gonna fry potatoes as well. I'm adding potatoes just to thicken up the gravy. Take some oil in a pan. Take some bay leaves, tejpatta, cumin seeds, jeera and cinnamon, dalchini. Heat up some oil and add all of these in a pan or kadahi. Add green chili and let it crackle for some time. Now add chopped onions. Fry the onion on high heat till it turns golden brown and add tomatoes. Now we are gonna add some spices. 2 tablespoons turmeric powder, half a tablespoon chili powder. As I have already used green chilies, so I am taking very less quantity of red chili powder. 2 tablespoons cumin powder. And lastly 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and salt as per taste. Once this is cooked properly, we are gonna add some water. Once it starts boiling, we are gonna add potatoes and eggs. Let it cook for 2-3 minutes and add chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now we are gonna cover it up and cook for another 2-3 minutes. And yummy egg curry is ready.